provide focus to the students, either student is a good learner or a slow learner. Here we provide realistic project environment for the students so that they can be future ready as well as they can enhance their practical skills. At UPTEC, we provide many of the co-curricular activities for the students, just like the seminars and workshops on the current technologies which are being introduced in the industry so that they can't be outdated. At the pandemic time, for the students, we provide online tutorials so that if any of the thing which they are not able to understand their during their classes, online classes, they can ask over there, they can view the videos over there, and if still they are having any query, then they can send their questions on the channel and they will be replied by the corresponding teachers so that they can get their problem solved. Here we provide bilingual teaching methodology for the students so that who are from the Hindi background or English background, they can feel comfortable and they can grasp the things whatever we are teaching to them. They can feel comfortable to their learning procedure and they can understand the things whatever is being taught by the teachers to them.
Hello, I am Namrata Mangli, currently working in UPTEC as a program executive. UPTEC is an institute which offers multiple IT courses for students. UPTEC Center have been rated as A+ by Nilate Society. UPTEC has a team of highly qualified and dedicated IT professionals as its faculty members. UPTEC students have been regularly securing top position in the Nilate All India examination. UPTEC provide intensive pre-placement training, internship and placement supports. UPTEC offers training on latest technologies such as data analytics, IoT, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, Android app development, and machine learning and many more.
Made the passing year a pleasant one for all. Our students once again did us proud by performing exceedingly well in various external examinations. It is heartening to realize that our students are set to create a place for themselves in the larger world with the assurance that UPTEC will always be there to guide, mentor and welcome them whenever they see.